Hello friends, welcome to SL Smart Ideas, for another awesome recipe. Today we bring to you a Depavali special snack. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get notified. The ingredients: steamed flour, 250 grams, gram flour, 50 grams, coconut milk, 1½ cup, salt, as per taste, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, pepper powder, ½ teaspoon, curry leaves, few, sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons. Come on, let's go to the video. 1½ cup of steamed flour, 50 grams of gram flour, few, curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, ½ teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix very well. Add coconut, first milk, 1 cup, and second milk, ½ cup. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or 1 drop of yellow food coloring. Salt, as per taste. Mix very well. Boil well, then leave it at mild heat, until you pour into the flour mix. Add little by little, and knead well. This is the right stage. Use oil paper, or newspaper, or apply oil like this on a tray. While the oil boils well, add the Murukku. While the snack is getting roasted, turn the fire to mild. When the snack turns to golden color, remove from pan. Crunchy, crispy and tasty snack is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.